Hello and welcome back to the Quality Excellence channel. I'm Mayank Agarwal, and in this session we'll cover Chapter 11, Introduction to DMAIC and DMADV. These are two core Six Sigma methodologies used for process improvement and design. Let's break them down. What is DMAIC? DMAIC stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, Control. It's used when you want to improve an existing process that has problems or inefficiencies. Let's go over each phase. Define. Identify the problem, set goals and project scope, understand customer needs. Measure. Collect data on the current process, establish baseline performance, identify key metrics like defects per unit. Analyze. Find the root causes of problems. Use tools like cause and effect diagrams, Pareto charts, and regression. Improve. Brainstorm and test solutions. Implement changes. Use tools like pilot tests or design of experiments. Control. Sustain improvements. Develop control plans. Monitor results with dashboards or control charts. DMAIC ensures you don't just fix symptoms, you fix real root causes with data-driven decisions. What is DMADV? DMADV stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Design, Verify. It's used when creating a new product or process, or when an existing one needs a complete redesign. Let's walk through each step. Define. Identify what the customer wants. Define project goals. Measure. Collect data on customer needs and market requirements. Analyze. Develop design options. Analyze which options best meet customer needs. Design. Create detailed designs for the process or product. Run simulations or prototypes. Verify. Test the design, ensure it meets requirements, launch the process or product. DMADV helps you build quality into the process from the start. DMAIC versus DMADV. What's the difference? Use DMAIC when the process already exists. The goal is to fix or improve it. Use DMADV when the process doesn't exist yet. You're designing from scratch or doing a major redesign. Both methods use data, teamwork, and a structured approach, but for different goals. Conclusion. To summarize Chapter 11, DMAIC is for improving existing processes. DMADV is for designing new ones. Both are structured, step-by-step frameworks. Choosing the right method helps ensure project success. These two approaches are the foundation of Six Sigma methodology. Outro. That concludes Chapter 11, Introduction to DMAIC and DMADV. I'm Mayank Agarwal, and you're watching the Quality Excellence channel. If this helped clarify these important methods, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Up next, Chapter 12, Define. Until then, stay focused, choose the right method, and continue your journey to excellence. See you in the next video.